Managing weight gain involves adopting healthy lifestyle habits that focus on balanced diet, regular physical activities, and overall well-being. Here are 10 points on comprehensive guide to managing weight gain. Number 1. Rich foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats in your diet. Number 2 is regular exercise, aerobic exercise. Engage in activities like walking, jogging, cycling, and swimming to burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. Number 3, behavioral changes. Mindful eating, pay attention to hunger and avoid emotional eating. Focus on enjoying and saving meal. Number 4, get adequate sleep. Quality sleep aims for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to support overall health and weight management. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormone levels related to appetite. Number 5, manage stress. Practice meditation, yoga, deep breathing, or other relaxation techniques to manage stress, which can otherwise lead to emotional eating. Number 6, seek support. Professional guidelines consult healthcare professionals, nutritionists, or dietitian for personalized guidelines and support. Number 7, monitor progress. Track changes, keep a food diary, long exercise routines, and track progress to stay accountable and identify areas of improvement. Number 8, gradual changes and patience. Realistic goals, set achievable and realistic goals. Sustainable weight and management takes time. Consistency focus on making gradual long-term lifestyle changes rather than quick fix solution. Number 9, stay hydrated. Water intake. Drinking sufficient water and aid in weight management by reducing hunger and supporting metabolism. Number 10, limit sedentary behavior. Reduce sitting time. Incorporate more movement into daily routines, such as taking breaks to walk or stretch. Conclusion: managing weight gain is a holistic process that involves making sustainable lifestyle encompassing diet, exercises, mental well-being, and consistent health. Counseling healthcare professionals for personalized advice and guidelines can greatly assist in creating an effective weight management plan. See you soon.